Tell Mommy, what are you guys eating?
Toast.
What's on top of it?
No.
It's okay. Tell Mommy, what's on top of your French toast?
Pocket.
Blueberries? And you poke it? Good. Layla, what's on top of your French toast?
Blueberries.
I know. Look at you. Got a silly blueberry face, huh? Yeah. You got silly blueberry face? Now, are you going to, why don't you poke it with your fork?
Okay.
Poke your French toast with your fork. Okay. Ooh. Yummy. You eat it because it's got blueberry on it. Wow! Is it delicious? Delicious. Here. Buddy, is it yummy? Oh, that's good. Hey, buddy, what did you have to eat last night? What did you eat? Didn't you play? Who did you play with last night? Layla Ruth. It sound like rough. Who did you play with last night, Layla? Layla Ruth. Is she your friend?
No.
No? What happened?
Apple, yes.
Oh, April, yes. Okay.